3 new gluten-free flours that burn fat, and how to use them. Sure, all-purpose flour may bring to mind ultra-carby desserts, blood sugar spiking white pasta, and all things battered and fried. But it turns out, there's an onslaught of totally unexpected powdery blends that can help you burn fat and boost health in all sorts of ways. Here are 3 you can incorporate into all of your delicious fall creations. Grapeseed flour. Sounds totally wacky, but companies are now starting to make flour from grape seeds and skins, which are byproducts of the winemaking process. Not only do these flours lend a subtly fruity and sophisticated flavor to cookies, pastas, and breads when used in combination with traditional or gluten-free flours, but they also deliver a nice dose of antioxidants. And preliminary animal studies actually suggest these flours are effective at lowering bad LDL cholesterol and controlling weight. Tiger nut flour. Tiger what flour? If you haven't heard of tiger nuts, they're lightly sweet, slightly chewy tubers with a mild nutty, earthy, vanilla flavor. They look like shriveled chickpeas, and the flour is simply the pulverized version. The real perk here is that it's super high in resistant starch, which has been getting a lot of buzz for its weight loss benefits. Resistant starch passes through the stomach and small intestine without being digested, and may even help you lose weight by reducing blood sugar spikes and keeping you fuller longer than other foods with the same number of calories. Use it to boost the health cred of smoothies, baked goods like pancakes, and even pizza dough. Banana flour. Here's one that surprised even us. Banana flour, made from pulverized green bananas, has a sort of sour, chocolatey taste. It boasts potassium, and like tiger nut flour, packs a hefty dose of resistant starch, which offers bulk without calories. It also benefits your gut by acting as a prebiotic, stimulating the growth of good bacteria in the digestive tract. It's not the greatest in pizza dough or any baked goods that are supposed to have a super delicate crumb, but it does work well in cookies, muffins, and quick breads, especially, surprise surprise, banana bread.